Hi, my name is Marina and I recently completed the online VizAcademy course. I'm a 2020 architecture graduate and a few months following my graduation, I decided to enroll on the course. At the time, I was based in Switzerland, so it's great because you can do it from anywhere in the world. I primarily joined because I wanted to learn how to use 3ds Max, given how widely it's used, and also to learn how to render at such a high standard. I recognize that having these skills is really useful and there's so much potential both within the architecture industry and beyond. It was seeing the results of previous students that really convinced me to do it, because no way would you get results that good if the quality of teaching wasn't incredible. My experience with it was also really great. It was stress-free. Of course, you have to put in the hours, and the more hours that you put in, the more you'll get out of it. It got to a point where producing the renders felt therapeutic, which I cannot say was the same whilst I was at university. So this was a really nice change. Beyond the quality of teaching, both in the live webinars that you get 3 times a week and the support videos that you get sent, I think the most invaluable thing for me was the support that you get 7 days a week. You have a number of tutors that are logged in, and whilst you're working, if you have any questions or any trouble with anything, you can contact one of these tutors and they will reply to you immediately. And if you need further help, then you can set up with one of these tutors for them to access your machine through something called AnyDesk. They will directly fix your model or show you anything in 3ds Max, which is great because you can follow through exactly with what they're doing. During my time on the course, I asked a lot of questions. Yeah, I'm so grateful for this feature. Big thanks to the tutors that helped me out. You know who you are. And I think if it weren't for this support, I wouldn't feel so confident now that the course is finished. So this was really wonderful. I can't recommend VizAcademy highly enough. If you're lucky enough to have found it through online advertisement or through someone that you know has done it, then honestly consider yourself lucky, because I haven't seen any other courses that teach in the same way and that produce these kind of results. Again, really grateful for it. I had a great experience and I gained so much from it, and I'm confident that anyone else who enrolls will too. So yeah, thanks again to the tutors and to Mike. And that's it. Thanks for listening.